Hi everyone, welcome to Color Tunes with Sampada and Purvi. Today we'll be painting on a coconut shell. So we'll be using acrylic paints, brushes. I have mentioned the colors and the brushes used in the description box. This is the coconut shell. I've removed the kernel and smoothened it using a sandpaper. Here I'm using Sap Green mixed with a little bit of white. If you don't have this, you can always take blue, mix a little bit of yellow so you get green, and add a little bit of white for the lighter shade. Now we'll take a darker shade of Sap Green, so take Sap Green and mix a little bit of black to it. So the idea over here is to make a watermelon. So we follow the same way throughout using the same technique and at equal intervals. So you can try painting different fruits on the coconut shell. Now for this, take Sap Green and black, but more of black so we get a darker tone. And using a thin brush, just make thin lines in the center. You can use this for storing many things like flowers or some of your stationery as well. So we're done painting the outer part. Now for the inner part, I've taken crimson. So using a thicker brush, it's easier to do. Now let's add the seeds. So here I've used black for it. So using a thin brush, we'll make seeds inside this. Now let's make the outer part using black. So just paint the outer part so that we get an even look. Our coconut shell is done. So I've stored flowers over here. Please like, share and subscribe if you liked our video. Thanks for watching.